In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Snapchat group. So what you want to do is, of course, you first want to open up Snapchat, go to the chats and locate the group. If you can't find it, scroll like a bit up and click on this icon right beneath the profiles to see only your groups. Click on your group and click on the group name. In my case, this is test. And if you want to leave the group, just click leave group and you will be out of that group. But other people will still be inside and they will be able to see previous messages and things like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe and comment this video helped me out if it has. And if you're still having problems, write your problem down in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out. See you in the next one.